Oh, hey guys, yeah, so, boy, if you have not checked out my brand new brand horsepower sweepstakes, we are getting down to the last days of the giveaway. So what do you get? Number one, Vortech V1 Supercharger Kit, AFR 185 aluminum heads, Holley System Max intake, and an Anderson B31 Supercharger cam. And because it's the holidays and we're getting down to the last, LMR $250 gift card just to help you get it installed. Guys, horsepowersweepstakes.com. Jump on there, grab your key tag. You're automatically entered, and may just be sending you a whole lot of horsepower for the holidays. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, guys, we got some seriously, this will be some food for thought, just kind of give you an idea of what's involved with the Detroit Speed rear suspension kit. We're getting it installed on Raymond's Reef Blue car now. I'm gonna tell you, this is not for the faint of heart, so let's check it out. All right, guys, so here you go, doing the Detroit Speed kit here on Raymond's car. And like I was saying, this is not just bolt in. This thing,
it takes a little bit of drilling and cutting and...
So you've got, this used the existing, was that the existing?
Yeah,
okay.
Watch out, it uses that one.
Yeah, and then you've got some trimming right here on the body.
Yeah, because you got to move this.
Yep.
You got sleeves that go in the frame, the crush sleeves, so it don't crush the frame.
I mean, it's
good.
Yeah, it fits great. I mean, it's the parts are very nice quality, but as you can see, you've got the same deal on this side as well. I mean, it's very involved, so just bear that in mind. But again, the parts are top-notch quality, and this thing's gonna handle like it's on freaking rails. But just to give you an idea, we're gonna go over to the rear end in a second, but that's a lot going on. Then you got this bracket right here. Yeah. All right, let's go look at the rear end. All right, boys, so current situation, this is what you're dealing with the rear end. Now, we're also going to the C-clip eliminators and new axles, but this is what you're going to be looking at the rear end. Got this bracket, and then this is your sway bar here. You've got this for the panhard, and then of course this bracket. Now it offers a lot of adjustability, as you can see, for doing your instant center and all that. I'm gonna tell you guys, there's a lot going on with this kit. It's very nice stuff though. Pretty wild. Hoping to get this thing in here. We've got to do the C-clip. We got to cut the axle down a little bit and hopefully get this thing back in. All right, guys, one kind of pretty freaking cool thing. Oh, these rear coilovers bolt in. It's a pretty ingenious setup. Like nothing ever seen before. Got the lowers in. Like I said, guys, this stuff it's really nice. It's very well made stuff. You can tell these are made for high quality builds, don't you think?
Very nice.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive stuff. They're proud of it, but man, you get what you pay for, that's for sure. These shocks are actually Fox. Oh, we got them out there. They say Detroit Speed on them, but they're made by Fox. Pretty wild. It's so much different than the typical stuff that you bolt into a Fox body. It's kind of interesting seeing all this come together. Ooh, let me tell you guys, this is a process. So, jumping in here, the sway bar mounts are a job. See, they actually bolt to the body. You know, your factory ones on your lower control arms, these actually mount to the body. So you gotta drill your holes and then do nut certs and then put your brackets on, and then your end links. Well, she's getting there. Get the control arms kind of hanging, get the track bar hanging. We just need Alex here so we can get that rear end done. What's he doing? We're gonna have to call him. Like, come on, man, you're holding up progress.
Call him there. Call him out.
Ah, there he is, right on time. But yeah, guys, this is, like I said, this ain't no bolt-in affair. You gonna know it when you're done, but it's pretty awesome. Excited to see how this thing handles. It ought to be pretty freaking amazing. All right, guys, we got progress. Check it out. Got the C-clip eliminators on. Motor axles on. Rotor doesn't want to go back on. How about we'll just set it down here. But yeah, guys, she is good to go. About to put the cover on. Just got all that cleaned up. I guess we're gonna hang this thing back in the car. Get some fluid in it. Good to go. All right. After all this,
Yeah, it's a lot of work, huh?
we're going back in.
Yeah.
Going up. Come back towards me a little bit. Yeah. Oh, baby.
Come back a little bit.
Yeah.
There.
I love it.
Get some bolts.
Yes, sir, boys. I'm about to bolt all this together. God, that's a lot of stuff.
That's good though.
Yeah, it does, for sure. All right, so fully mocked up. I'm gonna tell y'all, like, from the back, it looks wicked. It's really cool. Couple of notes. Good luck with tailpipes. Even if you try to run them under, you get the sway bar here.
You can't have it all.
Yeah, you definitely ain't doing it with this. But it looks really cool, and I guarantee this thing's gonna corner like it's on freaking rails. Yeah, it's pretty cool though. The sway bar mounts to the body, so I mean this thing's gonna be super rigid, and the track bar is gonna keep everything, keep that rear end centered. Which we've still got to set it on the race ramps and get everything like that. Track bar bracket's got to be level, but there you go, guys. Detroit speed, track bar, and coil over and upper and lower control arms installed. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, boys, well, there you go. Rear suspension, rear end is handled. Pretty cool, guys. Check out that suspension. I mean, it is pricey. It's very involved, but it's also very high quality stuff. And like I said before, I mean, they built some super cool pro touring cars that handle like really good, especially for an old car. So definitely worth checking out. But in the meantime, if you enjoyed this one, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Get you on the next one.